iMessage not working on your iPhone with iOS 26. This guide shows every fix, step by step, from the easiest to the most advanced. Let's get your messages working again.
Here are the signs your iMessage is broken. Messages to other iPhone users show not delivered with a red exclamation mark. They send as green SMS or RCS bubbles instead of blue iMessage bubbles. Or activation stays stuck on waiting for activation. Let's fix that now.
Start with the fastest check. Open Safari and go to apple.com/support/system status. Find the iMessage row. Green means available. Yellow or red means Apple has an outage, so wait and try again later.
Next, refresh iMessage itself. Open Settings, then Apps, then Messages. Turn the iMessage toggle off, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on. You should see waiting for activation appear, then disappear. This is the official fix after adding an eSIM on iOS 26.
Now check Send and Receive. Open Settings, Apps, Messages, then Send and Receive. Make sure your phone number is selected and tap it if it is not checked. Under Start New Conversations from, choose your phone number. New messages will go out as blue iMessage bubbles.
Refresh your network connection. Open Control Center and turn on airplane mode. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Then restart your iPhone by holding the side button and a volume button and sliding to power off. Turn it back on and test again.
Check your date and time. Open Settings, then General, then Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is on. Apple's activation servers reject requests from a phone with the wrong clock, so this matters more than you think.
This is the big one for iOS 26. Open Settings, then Cellular. If you see two SIMs with the same phone number, delete the inactive one. For an eSIM, tap the plan and choose Delete eSIM. Then go to Apps, Messages, Send and Receive, and tap your phone number to activate it. Update iOS. Open Settings General, then Software Update. If iOS 26.1 or newer is available, tap Update Now. Apple officially fixed the iMessage activation bug in iOS 26.1, so updating can solve everything at once. Disconnect any VPN. Open Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management. Turn the status toggle off or delete the VPN profile. A VPN can block Apple's iMessage servers, so this is a quick thing to rule out. Refresh your Apple account. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Choose Sign Out but don't erase. Enter your passcode or password and confirm. Then tap Sign into your iPhone and sign back in. This refreshes your iMessage credentials. Reset the network settings. Open Settings General, then transfer or reset iPhone and tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and confirm. This clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings, but keeps all your data. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and test.
If nothing has worked, reset all settings. Use the same reset menu and choose Reset All Settings. This restores every setting but keeps your photos and apps. And if your phone feels frozen, force restart by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears.
So why does this happen? The most common reason is the iOS 26 Inactive SIM bug, where a leftover SIM with the same number blocks activation. Other causes are a pending carrier check, wrong date and time, or a network problem. Apple's carrier verification can also take up to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments which fix worked for you. We'll see you in the next one.